Hi there, I am No.24 from University Putra, Malaysia and currently studying in Foundation of Agricultural Science. So, today's video I wanted to talk to you and to share with you about a community and the definition of community structure. So before we proceed to the community, you have to know what is the definition of community. So, a community is an assemblage of population of different species interacting with one another in the same environment. You can find this definition whether in 11th or 12th edition of Media book on topic 45.1 of ecology communities. So, do you understand with that definition? If not, I will give you an example. So, firstly, you have to look at this picture. So, this picture shows there is only one species that live in that area, which is zebras. So, this actually called a population. So, do you want to know is population is related to the community? You want to know? So let's see. Okay, let's see to the next picture. So this picture shows there are still zebras, but these zebras are live with other living things such as lion, monkey, trees. So actually these living things are interacting among them. So these zebras, so there are actually many types of population that living together and interacting together. So this is actually a community. Oh hi, we meet again. So let we continue our lesson about the definition of community structure. So actually community structure is categorized by two. First one is species composition and the second one is species diversity. So what is the species composition? Species composition of a community, also known as species richness, is simply a listing of the various species found in that community. So for example, tropical forests and the coniferous forests. These two forests or these two community has different types of species that live in these two forests. So the second one is species diversity. Species diversity is the measure of species richness and the relative abundance of the different species within the community. There is a hypothesis proven that the species composition and the species diversity is related. The greater the species richness and the more even the distribution of the species in a community, the greater the species diversity. So I think that's all for my video lesson. So thank you for watching.